After years of debate over the issue of whether transgender girls and women should compete in female sports, the Supreme Court is finally getting involved. More than half the states block transgender girls and women from playing on female sports teams at schools, and the court is hearing challenges to two of those bans. One comes from Idaho, which was the first state to pass a ban in 2020. The other comes from West Virginia, and that law is being challenged by a now 15-year-old who took medication to block typical male puberty and also receives hormone therapy. The court is debating whether the state bans violate either the Constitution's guarantee of equal protection for everyone under the law and whether they violate a federal civil rights statute that bars sex discrimination in educational programs. The students say that the laws discriminate against them because they don't take into account individual circumstances, such as whether they still have physical advantages after going through hormonal treatments. The states argue that hormonal treatments don't erase all the advantages that a typical male has over a typical female, and so the bans are needed to protect safety and fairness in sports. The Trump administration is helping the states defend their laws before the Supreme Court, and that's in part because President Donald Trump has taken his own steps on this issue. He has moved to cut off federal funding to schools that allow transgender women and girls from competing on female sports teams. This was a big issue for the president in his 2024 presidential campaign, and he's counting on it to help Republicans keep control of Congress in this year's midterm elections.